Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students of class 3. Look at chunk 3, week 2, assessment of science subject. Students first write your name and then section. Total marks of the assessment is 10 and question of the assessment is write short answers of the following questions. So attempt all the questions and the handwriting should be neat and clean. Question number 1 is which condition do living things require to live? So the answer of question number 1 is the conditions which living things require to live is air, water and sunlight. Question number 2 is why is oxygen important for our body? Answer of question number 2 is importance of oxygen. Oxygen helps to break down the food that we eat, which makes energy for our bodies, and the energy helps living things to move and work. Question number 3 is what is stomata? So the answer of question number 3 is plants also breathe. They take in air through tiny holes in their leaves and these tiny holes are called stomata. Question number 4 is what are some examples of food in the protein group? Answer of question number 4 is some examples of food in the protein group are beef, chicken, fish, other seafood and mutton, pulses, eggs and milk. And question number 5 is name any two things that are made from milk. So answer of question number 5 is two things that are made from milk are first one cheese and then butter.